Hi guys, I wanted to put together a quick video just to illustrate the OCO functionality in 9G. What you need to do if you want to use OCO capabilities on your dome, you need to add an OCO button to one of your toolbars. So how you go about doing that is at the moment I've got the Superlight spec applied, and I've already added a button with the OCO type. So if I shift click that button, what you'll see here is the way it's set up is it's added to this toolbar over here, and then it's this button here. And to do that, you essentially add a button to the toolbar as you would add any button, and then you select the button type, and in the button type library, there's an OCO type set here. By default, the button text won't populate with anything. I've left it open so you can decide what you want to call it. I've called it OCO. You can set an image if you want to, if you prefer, if you can find something that shows an OCO type link. And then the final thing is that the OCO button works in toggle fashion rather than just a click, the usual click down sort of highlight. So what I mean by that is when you click the button, it actually is now toggled on, and then when you click it again, it's toggled off. And to set that toggle color, you choose the existing button down color. Just set that to whatever you want. So I'm going to change that to white, and then I'll show you when you click that, it's now toggled on and it's now toggled off. So the way that this works is currently when you enter orders, there's no link between them. So just an example, we'll put in
Order
a
pending.
buy limit there, and then we'll put in
Order
a
pending.
sell stop. And you see in Ninja Control Center, the OCO area is blank, meaning, there's no link. It's just standard functionality. So these orders are not linked in any way.
Order cancelled.
Cancel them
Order
individually.
cancelled.
Now, what the OCO does is it allows you to enter an order and then enter a second order, and those two orders are chained together. They're linked so that if one order cancels, the other one will cancel. Similarly, if one of the orders fills, the other order will automatically cancel. And where that's useful is if you want to set a target and a stop on a position, and you want it to essentially, if you stop out, the target's automatically cancelled, or if the target fills, the stop is automatically cancelled. So the two work together. So to do that, you want to highlight the OCO or toggle it on, and you want to enter your order like you usually would.
Order pending.
Now you see over here, it's got an OCO reference in it. And the next order that I enter in now, whatever it's going to be, is now going to be tagged to this order. So we're going to enter in another stop.
Order pending.
And you see there, it's got the same reference. So what that means is these two orders are now linked together. So, if this one fills, that one's going to cancel. Or if I cancel one of these, the other is going to cancel. So we'll cancel this here.
Order
And
cancelled.
you see they both cancel. So the other thing to mention is that with the OCO, once you actually link them together, you'll see it automatically toggles itself off. So it's in OCO state.
Order pending. Order pending.
We've now got a link pair, and it now switches off. So what you can do is you can drop multiple link pairs on there, if depending on what you're doing with your strategy or whatnot. So I can set it on again, and I can drop another
Order
link pair.
pending.
So
Order pending.
that pair is now linked. So we've got two link pairs on here. So you'll see if I cancel
Order
that
cancelled.
one cancels, and either of these, if I cancel, the other will cancel.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, and that's essentially the main part of that, and it's really useful, if you want to set your targets and your stop, and you don't have to worry about having to sit in front of the screen and ensure that if one fills, the other one is going to be cancelled, so that you don't end up moving into the market in the wrong direction. Finally, the last thing to show is with OCO, if you toggle it on and you
Order
put in
pending.
an order and then you cancel that order,
Order
the
cancelled.
OCO state will remain toggled on. So in order to toggle it off, you need to actually click it off. It will stay on because it will just assume that you've clicked it, so you want to enter it. So if I cancel,
Order pending. Order cancelled.
it just assumes I still want to enter an OCO. So maybe I wanted to put it in at a different price. So
Order pending.
there I put in the first one, and now second I'm going to put in
Order pending.
the pair, and now we've got it linked. It automatically sets itself off, and you can see then the control center we've got this linked pair. So yeah, that's essentially OCO functionality, and hope you find it useful.